Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing an app talking about lets and variables. So a let is a constant, a variable is a var, and it changes. So I'm going to get my storyboard set up here. I named mine variable app up here. So I'm going to get it set up. I'm going to need a text box, a label, a text box, two labels, and two buttons. All right, so I'm going to get that set up while you guys can take a look at what I'm going to do here in a second. All right, so now that we have our label, our text field, not text box, I kind of messed up when I said that before. I have a button, a label, and a button. So the first thing we're going to do here is we'll connect our text field. Our text field is going to go in as an outlet, name text field. Remember your camel casing. I'm going to connect this in as name label, and go ahead and connect this in below my view to load as name button. All right, so now in our code here, I want where it says what's your name to show up and say my name is blank. All right, so here we're going to create a let name equal name text field dot text. All right, so now wherever I put this name, I'm going to get whatever is in the text box or text field, excuse me. So here I should be able to write name label dot text equals, I have to create it into a string so it goes into my label. My name is, now this is something new that you guys are going to learn today. I can never remember if it's forward. There we go. All right, so forward slash there, like this. My name is forward slash name. What's going on here? All right, so I figured out what my error was. I had the let up here on line 16, and you can't do that because we're not identifying what name textfield.text is, so we're creating something that doesn't exist yet. All right, so I had to put that down in my button because I'm saying let name equal the text field. My label.text is going to equal my name is, and then it's going to check and see what's in here and place it in. All right. I have this print name down here. What that does is it shows me what the computer is thinking. Down in the debugger that just disappeared on me, it will show me whatever I put in this text box, whatever name is equaling. So it's essentially a way just to see, like I said, what the computer is thinking. So if I write in here Mr. E, hit OK, that shows up there, and then you can see it prints Mr. E down here. All right, so now to do my score. All right, so I'm going to hook up this as a score label, and I'm going to hook up my button as my score button. All right, so with a score is going to change, I hope. Unless if I'm playing Fortnite or something, my score usually stays at 0. So var score equals 0. Okay, so in my button, I'm going to write score plus equals 1, every time I hit the button. Okay, so if I go print score and run this, and now this is what's kind of nice about the playground. If you use that, you can kind of mess around with the print, and like I said, you won't be able to make an app with it, but you can kind of see how your code works and test some things out. So that's what that's pretty much used for. All right, so I'm going to move this so we can see my debugger. We'll move. All right, so I clicked on that 12 times. You can see that my score added each. I usually do I use print often. All right, all the time to see what the computer's thinking, because not all the time am I going to have a label or something showing a value or a variable that I'm working on. So here I just need to go score label dot text equals string of score. Hope that works. That will work. Yeah, it should work. Or you could obviously do it like we did here in my name label text, where it says your score is / parenthesis score, and then it will add that score, that variable, into a sentence. So remember, a variable changes. The score is changing, all right? And we set it to 0, which is why we can have it outside. This let, we had nothing in here, all right? So we're naming nothing. Didn't like that, so once we put it in here, it's all happy. A let stays constant, all right? Now, yes, I can keep on going in and hitting my button to change the name that it says, but like a variable, or unlike a variable, the variable just keeps on counting up from 0. It changes. Where did my simulator go? Here we go. So you can see that that is now calculating the score, or how many times I click that button. All right, there's your little hack witch for the day. Working on variables and lets, and getting some experience with strings and ints, and also the print. Like I said, that's a really big part of coding, just to see what the computer is thinking. Alrighty. Any questions, please comment or talk to me in class. Bye-bye.